My name is Oluwakemi Shittabey. I am an MBA student at the University of New Brunswick in Fredericton, Canada, and student entrepreneur in residence at the Harriet Library Research Commons for summer 2025. My first community event is a creative and upcycling workshop for beginners. That's right, no experience necessary. This two-day intensive hands-on workshop will introduce you to basic sewing skills using vibrant African Ankara fabrics and other fabrics of choice. Participants will learn to thread a sewing machine, cut patterns, and sew select items, whether be it a tote bag, scrunchie, kimono, and even Ankara shorts. And there would also be a special section on upcycling that will help you give old clothes and fabrics a fresh creative purpose. So join me, Oluwakemi, on a journey of creativity and empowerment through the art of sewing.